Hello! Today's travel tracker tip is on using the assignment inquiry. The assignment inquiry option provides a flexible inquiry screen to find assignments meeting multiple criteria selections. You can select filtering options using the selections at the top of the screen. You can make any combination of filter or search selections and then click on the Apply Filters button to see the assignments that meet your selection criteria. The default setting on the filters is to show all assignments from any location from today's date forward. You can refine your search criteria or simply click on the Apply Filters button. Once you have refined your list and applied filters, you can open the assignment by clicking on the trip number. This allows you to easily find and open and edit assignments as needed. The assignment inquiry is available on multiple tabs, including the Trip Approval tab, the Vehicle Owners tab, the Assignments tab, School Finance, Funding Management, and the Finance Department, and the Invoices tab. Let's take a look at using the assignment inquiry. For a field that has a drop-down arrow, click on the arrow and then click on your selection, maybe to choose a particular owner. You can use the multiple filters in any combination. So maybe you want to see one particular owner's trips for field trips, so you can choose the trip type. When all selections have been made, click on the Apply Filters button on the left. The number listed above the Apply Filters button will indicate how many assignments meet the criteria selected. The total cost will be the total cost of the assignments selected. Remember, this may be a preliminary cost if the trip has not occurred yet and the invoice has not had any information submitted. To clear filters, click on the Clear Reset button. To see all assignments without setting any filtering, just click Apply Filters. When you scroll down, you will see a list of those assignments. Let's look at some specific examples of different inquiries. For example, how would we see all assignments for trips originating from a particular location or school, regardless of where the vehicle is located? Well, to see all assignments for trips originating from a single location, no matter where the vehicle is located, select a requesting location and then select all for the owner filter. So on my requesting location drop down, I'll choose one particular school, and then I'll be sure that the owner drop down is set to all. When I click Apply Filters, I see I have two assignments meeting that criteria. So I'm able to see all of the trip requests from this particular school, no matter where the vehicle is located. Let's look at another example. To see any assignments that are using vehicles from a particular location, regardless of where the trip originates, I'm going to select all on the requesting location and then indicate a particular vehicle location. My vehicle location may be all of the buses from this particular school, but I don't care which school is traveling. So when I keep my requesting location set to all and change my vehicle location to the one particular school or location and click my Apply Filters button, then I'm able to see I have 11 assignments from this school's buses going using any school, location as the requesting location. The counter provides the number of assignments that meet the criteria you have selected. So you can essentially answer how many questions. For example, how many assignments have I given to one particular driver? Let me choose a driver from my driver drop-down. And then maybe I can say, how many field trips have I given to this driver? So I can use my trip type drop-down and choose field trips. Then when I click my Apply Filters button, it's going to show me that I have given one trip to this driver for field trips, and then I can view that particular trip information. So I can answer how many questions using the assignment inquiry. When viewing assignments from the assignment inquiry option, you have two formatting options. You can view the assignments in a standard format with costing information or in a basic format that does not include costing information. So the standard format includes preliminary costing information here. The basic format just gives me the basic information, which includes the trip number, the trip date and time, type of trip, destination, and assignment information, including the vehicle and the driver. Notice that you can print your list that meets your criteria. If you would like to print your list of trips without the filters showing, click on the Hide Filters button and then use your Print button. Be sure that you click the Show Filters button again after you have printed your list so that your filters are available for selecting multiple criteria. You can also print trip tickets. There's a Print Trip Tickets for All button that will allow you to print all trip tickets for the trip showing in your list. With the standard with costing format, you can print trip tickets individually for each trip. Notice we have a button to print a trip ticket without directions and a button to print tickets with directions. Remember, the default is going to show you assignments from this day forward. If you would like to see assignments from the past, use the All Trip Dates radio button. That will allow you to pull up trips even from the past. Notice that you can set a date range using your start and end date drop downs. So that will also allow you a lot of flexibility with how many trip assignments you see. One other option you have with the dates is just show me trips from today, and you can click that radio button and bring up a list of all of the trips that are going today. If you need to view the assignment from the assignment inquiry, click on the trip request number. This will open the assignment. From the assignment, you can work in as you are working in the invoice, putting in driver information, driver hours, odometer readings, mileage. You can also remove the assignment from here if this particular vehicle and or driver are not going on this particular trip. Click on Assignment Inquiry to return to your assignment inquiry. I hope today's tip has been helpful and that you will begin using the assignment inquiry to find all of your assignments using multiple filtering and sorting options. Thanks.